In a bold step toward electrification and performance, Mini has officially unveiled the high-performance John Cooper Works variants of its Cooper Electric and Aceman EV models. Both vehicles promise to deliver an exhilarating driving experience, showcasing Mini's commitment to blending iconic design with cutting-edge electric technology. With 255 horsepower on tap, these new JCW models are set to redefine what drivers can expect from electric vehicles in the compact segment. The launch of the JCW Cooper Electric and Aceman EV marks a significant milestone for Mini, as it embraces the growing demand for performance-oriented electric vehicles. These new models embody the brand's racing heritage while incorporating modern design elements and advanced technology, creating a unique combination of fun and sustainability. At the heart of both the JCW Cooper Electric and Aceman EV is an electric powertrain that delivers an impressive 255 horsepower and 310 lb-ft of torque. This powerful setup enables thrilling acceleration, allowing the cars to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 6 seconds. The electric motors provide instant torque, ensuring that drivers experience a lively and responsive ride that is synonymous with the Mini brand. The exterior of the JCW versions is adorned with distinctive styling cues that set them apart from their standard counterparts. A more aggressive front bumper, larger air intakes, and unique JCW badging highlight their sporty pedigree. Additionally, the vehicles feature exclusive color options and distinctive wheel designs, giving them a dynamic and eye-catching presence on the road. Inside, the JCW Cooper Electric and Aceman EVs are equipped with a driver-focused cockpit that prioritizes both comfort and technology. High-quality materials and sporty accents create an upscale atmosphere, while advanced infotainment systems provide seamless connectivity. The vehicles feature a large touchscreen display that integrates with smartphones, allowing for easy access to navigation, music, and vehicle settings. One of the key highlights of the JCW models is their enhanced suspension system, which has been finely tuned to deliver superior handling and stability. Mini has implemented sportier dampers and stiffer springs, resulting in improved cornering capabilities and a more engaging driving experience. This performance-oriented setup allows drivers to push the limits while enjoying the nimble and agile nature that Mini vehicles are known for. Both the JCW Cooper Electric and Aceman EV models come equipped with a range of advanced safety features, ensuring that drivers can enjoy their spirited driving with confidence. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and advanced braking systems are just a few of the technologies designed to enhance safety and convenience on the road. Mini's commitment to safety complements its performance focus, offering a well-rounded package for enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. In addition to their impressive performance and safety features, the JCW models embrace Mini's sustainability goals. The electric powertrains not only reduce emissions but also contribute to a quieter and more enjoyable driving experience. With growing concerns over climate change and the need for greener transportation solutions, Mini's foray into high-performance electric vehicles aligns with the broader industry trend toward sustainability. The introduction of the JCW Cooper Electric and Aceman EV models is part of Mini's broader strategy to electrify its lineup while maintaining its core identity. As consumers increasingly seek alternatives to traditional combustion engines, Mini is well-positioned to capture the attention of driving enthusiasts who want the excitement of performance without compromising on environmental responsibility. With the launch of these powerful electric vehicles, Mini is sending a clear message: electric performance is not only possible but can also be incredibly fun. The JCW branding adds an extra layer of excitement, appealing to a new generation of drivers who are looking for thrilling performance combined with the benefits of electric mobility. In conclusion, the unveiling of the JCW versions of the Cooper Electric and Aceman EV marks an important chapter in Mini's evolution. By combining iconic design with electrifying performance, Mini continues to push the boundaries of what electric vehicles can offer. As the automotive landscape shifts toward sustainability and performance, the JCW Cooper Electric and Aceman EV stand ready to capture the hearts of enthusiasts and eco-conscious drivers alike. With their impressive specifications and engaging driving dynamics, these models are poised to make a significant impact in the growing market for performance-oriented electric vehicles.